You cannot heal your kidneys without these 15 foods. Your kidneys are the unsung heroes of your body, working tirelessly to filter toxins, balance electrolytes, and regulate fluids. Every single day, they handle incredible tasks to keep you healthy. But have you ever considered how your habits, especially your diet, impact their well-being? Neglecting your kidneys can lead to chronic issues, but here's the good news. The right foods can make all the difference. This video is all about the 15 essential foods you need to heal and support your kidneys. These foods are natural, accessible, and easy to incorporate into your diet. Whether you're struggling with compromised kidney health or simply being proactive, you cannot afford to miss this. So, stay tuned to learn how your diet could unlock the door to better renal health. Everything you eat and drink passes through your kidneys. They filter toxins, metabolize nutrients, and regulate waste. But a poor diet can stress your kidneys, making them work harder than they should. Imagine this. Would you run a marathon without proper fuel and hydration? Your kidneys feel similarly strained when fed the wrong foods. Kidney-friendly foods reduce stress on these vital organs. They assist in regulating potassium, sodium, and fluid levels while supporting the natural healing process. Think of them as maintenance tools for this incredible filtration system. In this video, we're spotlighting 15 foods that are not just beneficial but essential to kidney health. Your kidneys act as the body's filtration powerhouse, sifting through nearly 50 gallons of blood daily. They remove waste, balance essential minerals, produce hormones, and regulate fluid levels. However, many people are unaware of how vulnerable these organs are to damage caused by a poor diet, dehydration, or lifestyle habits. Common kidney stressors include high sodium intake, which disrupts the fluid balance. Processed foods, high in harmful chemicals. Lack of hydration, which hinders the kidney's ability to flush out toxins. Overconsumption of unhealthy proteins, which overload the kidneys. If you've noticed signs like fatigue, swelling, or changes in urination, these could signal kidney stress. A nourishing diet is a proactive way to give your kidneys the care they truly deserve. We're now diving into the big reveal, the 15 kidney healing foods. Each is packed with specific nutrients your kidneys need, like antioxidants, vitamins, and hydration-supporting compounds. Let's break them down one by one. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are rich in vitamins A and C, as well as antioxidants that fight inflammation. These veggies are also low in potassium, making them excellent for kidney health. Add them to salads, soups, or smoothies. Loaded with antioxidants and low in sodium, berries are the ultimate kidney protectors. Cranberries, in particular, prevent urinary tract infections by keeping bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract. Snack on them raw or mix them into your breakfast. An apple a day doesn't just keep the doctor away, it supports kidney health too. Apples are rich in fiber, which binds to toxins in your body, helping your kidneys process waste efficiently. They're a fantastic snack option or can be baked for a warm treat. Cauliflower is a cruciferous vegetable packed with vitamin C and detoxifying compounds. It's low in potassium and full of fiber, making it a delicious and safe choice for renal health. Mash it as a potato substitute or roast it with herbs for a flavorful side. This small yet mighty food offers anti-inflammatory properties that drastically reduce kidney stress. Garlic also contains sulfur compounds that act as natural cleansers. Use it as a spice to flavor your meals without adding excessive salt. Onions are another low-potassium food that's packed with flavonoids. These compounds help prevent kidney damage by reducing inflammation. Add onions to soups, salads, or stir-fries for a burst of flavor and health benefits. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These heart-healthy fats reduce inflammation throughout your body, including your kidneys. Aim for 2 servings of fish per week to maximize benefits. These colorful veggies are nutrient-dense but low in potassium. Bell peppers are rich in antioxidants like vitamin A and vitamin C, which support overall kidney health. Slice them up for a refreshing snack or toss them into stir-fries. A premium source of healthy fats, olive oil helps reduce inflammation without overloading your kidneys with toxins. It's an excellent alternative to unhealthy oils and butter. Drizzle it on salads or use it for light cooking. Lemons are high in citrates, natural compounds that reduce the formation of harmful kidney stones. Starting your day with lemon water is an easy way to enjoy its benefits. It's refreshing, hydrating, and highly effective. Cucumbers are both hydrating and cleansing. Their high water content makes them perfect for helping your kidneys flush out toxins. Incorporate them into salads or snack on cucumber slices with a splash of lemon juice. This golden spice is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. It protects kidneys from oxidative damage and supports their natural healing. Add turmeric to soups, teas, or your favorite vegetables. Certain herbal teas are gentle on the kidneys and promote detoxification. Chamomile tea reduces kidney inflammation, while dandelion tea supports overall cleansing. Enjoy these teas as warm, comforting drinks. Pumpkin seeds, in moderate portions, provide magnesium and other minerals essential for kidney health. They also have antioxidant properties that can prevent damage. Snack on them raw or sprinkle over salads. Known for its hydrating qualities, watermelon is a great ally for kidney health. Its natural water content and rich antioxidant profile help flush out toxins effectively. Enjoy it as a refreshing summer treat. Now that you know the 15 must-have foods, let's focus on how to seamlessly add them to your diet. Here are some practical tips. Start with breakfast. Add spinach to your omelets. Pair your meal with a side of berries, or make a kidney-boosting smoothie with kale, apples, and cucumbers. Lunchtime options. Create a colorful salad with bell peppers, onions, and olive oil. Add baked salmon or mackerel for a complete meal. Snacks to keep handy. Snack on pumpkin seeds, cucumber slices, or an apple to stave off midday hunger while healing your kidneys. Dinner ideas. Roast cauliflower, toss it with garlic, and serve alongside grilled fish. A side of turmeric-seasoned quinoa makes for a perfect kidney-friendly pairing. End your day with tea. Sip on chamomile or dandelion tea for a calming, detoxifying experience before bedtime. Even small dietary changes can have a big impact over time. Start with 1 or 2 foods and gradually incorporate more as you build confidence in your routine. There's a lot of misinformation about what's safe for your kidneys. Let's dispel a few myths. Myth number 1. All greens are safe for kidneys. While greens like kale and spinach are excellent, others high in potassium, like Swiss chard, should be consumed cautiously if you have kidney issues. Myth number 2. You must avoid all protein. It's not about cutting out protein entirely, but choosing healthier sources like fish and consuming it in moderation. Myth number 3. Drinking excessive water flushes out kidneys. While hydration is vital, forcing yourself to drink too much water can strain your renal system unnecessarily. Every individual's kidney health is different. Consult your doctor or a dietitian to tailor your diet according to your unique needs. Healing your kidneys without these 15 foods? Impossible. These ingredients are nature's way of supporting your filtration system, reducing inflammation, and giving your kidneys a break. Remember, every meal is an opportunity to nourish your body. Whether you're just starting to pay attention to your kidney health or looking for practical steps to improve it, adding these foods is a crucial step forward. Share this advice with a loved one. It could be life-changing. Start by incorporating one food today and watch how small steps lead to monumental improvements. Your kidneys are worth the effort, and so is your health. So what are you waiting for? Head to your nearest grocery store, stock up on these kidney-healing foods, and start building a diet your body will thank you for now and in the years to come.